Hi, I'm Shawn. This is Porsche. Need more coffee. Hi, I'm Shawn. This is Porsche Center North Toronto. This is the last installment of our restoration project here. We're getting ready to start it up for the first time. Right before we start it up, we have the fuel pump disconnected and we're just gonna prime up the system, get oil pressure and fuel pressure built up. So we're gonna put the fuel pump fuse back in, reel crank. Timing's perfect. Once the engine started, it was amazing to hear it purr, that it wasn't misfiring after such an intrusive procedure like that. Being able to work so easily with the parts department, the parts manager, my fellow colleagues for help, now it feels crisp. It feels maybe even better than factory, especially with the modified Porsche suspension that's on there. The engine is running at full power. There's no more carbon buildup in there. Fresh piston rings and bearings, everything's running. After putting all the passion into this project, I'm so excited to get this out and personally drive it on the track.